Hello to everyone. Today I have here this just new iPad 2020 8 generation, as you can see, and today I received from the Amazon this new Rebound Pencil Case from ESR. So as you can see, this is iPad Air for iPad Air for generation 2020. Never mind, I have the 8th generation, and this is the photo how it look like and how you can use this case for your iPad. So we have here two stand modes, first and second modes, flexible rubberized black cover, and okay, you can choose from multiple color options, but we have just this. So it is a protective iPad case, and you has a limited lifetime warranty. So let's start to open and unbox this. It's really keep. Oh, here it is. Okay, first is down, and I think that we have here second stick. Okay, now I can open it. Okay, and pushing out. Oh, it looks very nice. Of course, if you want to buy the same, you can check link below, because I have there the same link where I ordered this nice iPad case. So from this side you can open like this, and we can together check. It's very nice. Inside we have this protective paper, and here is the case. But where is the pencil? This isn't so good, because I thought that pencil is included in this package, so I have to order pencil, because we have here in place for pencil, and also here is hole for pencil. Okay, so we can try to use this. We can see that we have here a hole for the camera. The camera is right here, so we can try check